Hey there, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you have an awesome day, you entrepreneurs, you. So, I have an interesting video to say, so hang on, guys, because I'm going to share my series of online marketing as well as talking about successful solution method. And I want to say this: how many times have you always searched for a platform, a program to help you become a bit more successful in your online business or in online in general? You want to continue to prosper or to have better engagement, everything to help you become, shall we say, the best success you want to be in online marketing. And I know it takes time, guys, but have you found one? Have you really found one? So today I'm going to share with you the program of successful solution method. In the next segment, I'm going to click on and show you the program itself. So let's take a look, shall we? I'm back. This next segment, my lovely friends. How you doing? I hope you weren't missing me. So I'm going to share with you what the program looks like on. How about that? So let's share my screen, guys. Let me go up here. I'm going to share the screen. There you go. This is the entrance to Successful Solution Method. You just put on your, you put in your email address. And there you go. We're now going to enter the program. Give me a couple of seconds. There you go. This is the program called Successful Solution Method. Discover the untapped. I'll just shut this off for a minute. Discover the untapped strategies that pay me up to $3,000 per month with as little as 60 minutes per day, even if you're brand new or have a limited budget. And that's me, guys. I'm fairly new with this, and I just do 60 to 2 hours a day, and I enjoy the system. This is a video that basically shares with how much money you can make. $100. Quite a few lovely people there sharing the money they're earning. Excellent, don't you think? Now, this is Amanda Rye. She created this wonderful program, my lovely friends. And let's go over this program a little by little so you get an idea what it's all about, shall we? And so you see to the side, it is true, get paid 3 times to 5 times weekly, beginner friendly, and I'm a newbie, I'm a test for that. No experience needed, start within minutes, step-by-step videos. And yes, the videos are excellent. The training videos are superb. They are step-by-step, getting you to learn. Proven results, and it's true because I have earned over $1,200 within this program. It is excellent, and some of our other members as well. It's 100% flexible. It's up to you how you want to, how many hours a day you want to do, and simple 3-step system, and it's excellent. Keep going down, and if you want to continue to start, you can go right straight to here to click to ease access if you just don't want to go any further. But let's continue further, because this one is nice. This is get results working just 60 minutes per day, which is true. Build legitimate and scalable income streams. That's exactly right. And then it's mobile friendly. You can go on your mobile, your tablet, your laptop, or even, of course, desktop. And does the system really get results? You're damn right it does, guys. You're damn right. And these are some of the wonderful results here that you see. Gives you a nice little overview. I like this overview. It's awesome because it gives you an idea. That is actually Zeal, and this is actually Stripe. Excellent, right? Keeps going down. You see the results. The working in this kind of industry, what we're doing now can work. Yes, it does work. And this one I like because it also gives you an overview. She shares this, the biggest challenges people face in generating an income online and getting results without wasting time. Exactly, because some people just don't get the results. They think it's a waste of time and they quit very easy, right? Everyone knows that the first dollar you generate online is the most challenging. That is true. Why? Because it's simply the average person quits before they're able to produce results. Exactly. This is very good information. People need to see results when their efforts are worth the time invested. Exactly right. And it continues on. It shares some really good information. It's unrealistic to expect people to commit months and years. Keep going down. And I'm not saying other systems that take time don't work. However, I'm saying they're not the right place to get started if you're looking to get quick results. So that's why I created a solution that works. This is created by Amanda Rye, a wonderful, excellent 6-figure earner in her own right. She knows her stuff because she's been through it herself. And then we have Discover Simple Income Producing Strategies that anyone can use to finally get results online. And it gives you some information here. Introducing Successful Solution Method. No experience needed. Make a profit quickly. Take less than 60 minutes per day doing the system. It's right. Simple step-by-step instructions. The training videos are amazing, and they do just that. Generating multiple streams of income is true. You can get to do that, work from your desktop, laptop, or even from your phone. Yes, indeed, it is. I work on my phone all the time using this particular method. It's exactly right. You can use your phone. It's true. And then, of course, you can click right here too if you want to continue on, but continue on down because it is a very good funnel program. So what exactly is a successful solution method? One of the most valuable things I can give everyone is a shortcut. I had too many sleepless nights and frustrating days over the last couple of years, she says. It's not a process that I would want anyone else to experience if they don't have to. In addition to the struggle of figuring out, there's so many false promises and junk products on the market today. And I have attested to that. That happens, guys. And if you experience what I'm talking about, then you are about to understand the struggle. Yes, exactly. So she covers every system. She covers every strategy, every technique, every approach, and every challenge in this wonderful successful solution method program. And every strategy that she shares has meet 3 criteria. It has to be simple, right? It has to have success potential, which is true. A system that provides sporadic income won't provide any success, but a system that works does. It has to be systematic. A true business system that works cannot depend on personal traits. It has to work to be systematic. And that's why the successful solution method was created by Amanda Rai. Simple, successful system. And here's a few example of how you get started. Step 1, you set up your account, very simple, to the point, very quick. Step 2, you schedule your time, how much, an hour, 2 hours a day, how you want to do the system is correct. It's very simple. Step number 3, complete the task. Basically, when you're doing the trainings, she's asked you to do simple tasks on a daily basis, okay? And these tasks, all you need is an internet connection, and you do get paid consistently income. You get paid weekly. It'd be 50 to 100 to 150. It depends on how much you do tasks you do. And their tasks are simple. Their task strategies to help you build your business online. Very simple. That's it. Sounds simple, right? And it is simple. It's a very simple system. You keep going down, and she's going to share all this wonderful information about one of the most valuable assets of business today, is information. And information is the key. Learning to understanding. It's like going to college, you know. Some people have to, when they have a career, they have to learn, right? And this is very simple. And it's social media platform on the planet exists for the purpose of collecting information. So, and it's not just demographics that's sought after. Your opinion is weekly and valuable. She keeps going down. The information is excellent here, and it shows exactly why she created this program. So let's face it, that time is your most valuable asset, and we never have enough of it. So family, right, personal commitments, jobs, it always happens. So if you just you're being paid pennies for your time, you're working your butt off, as I did for almost 2 years, and not getting diddly squat. I know, guys. But this system, it works, guys. It works because this little to me is 2 to 4 hours a day. I'm working the system, doing my tasks on a daily basis, and I'm getting paid. Yes, indeed. And I'm learning, and I'm enjoying, and I'm engaged. My engagements on my Facebook page went for crickets to much better right now. And some of our members, it's through the roof. And that's what you want, right? You want good engagement on your page. And that's all part of successful solution method, that's for sure. I keep going down. The information here is phenomenal. I suggest when you go through this program, really read it. And here's what you'll learn in the successful solution method. Exactly how to generate profit very quickly, avoid costly mistakes by quickly recognizing who to work with and how to maximize your profit, how to create multiple streams of income, the 3 big mistakes most people will never realize that they're making and how to avoid them, secrets to double your productivity, and her secrets are amazing. And she shares them. Now, I love this because here we have beautiful people here who are giving testimonials about this system. We have Cynthia Collins, Brett Blackmore, Sue Tang, Ebony Raisar, Medina Olegog, Chad Thornton, Angela Williams. These are people that have really enjoyed this system. And I am another one whose testimony I share with you today. It's a wonderful system, guys, wonderful. Now you will receive her closely guarded private income generating system. She's holding nothing back, and she doesn't. And we go through this. And now we go through the packages, and they're very simple. Each package is bronze, silver, gold, as well as platinum, and the highest diamond. And each of these packages are according to what each marketer is doing. Now, for a person who's fairly new and like a newbie, and you just want to get started and not sure what to do, I suggest the bronze package. But myself, I'm into this. I'm new, but I'm still knowing a lot of strategies. I still need to know more. I chose the silver package. It's fantastic. Each package includes what's beautiful. And then the gold is if you want to go step up another level from silver. And then, of course, platinum. Each one is the level you're at now. They're wonderful packages, and they're one-time payment only, and you're in. That's just fantastic. I love this. And what I'm saying to you now, this one thing I do want to say, though, it's not a get-rich-quick program. That's what it is. But it is a sustainable program. If you work at it and consistently, you will earn. Successful Solution Method is a phenomenal, beautiful program I'm so proud to be a part of. And the fact that I've earned about $1,200 in the past 8 weeks, I'm proud of myself, because for 2 years, I was getting diddly squat, even with the programs I was on too. So that in itself is awesome, right? I'm gonna stop my share here. So that is Successful Solution Method. In a nutshell, that is the program design as well. I am so proud to share with you that today. Now let me finish off what I want to say. You know me, I got my papers. I like to do that, guys. First of all, if you're curious, I know you are, down below, I do have the Successful Solution link that you just saw now. Pop on over there, see the beauty of this wonderful, read all the information, and check out. Come join our team. What do you got to lose? You don't have to lose anything. What you're going to do is gain knowledge and information and strategies, how to become more successful online. And we have a Facebook group that I'm going to share later on in the next video, all about our wonderful people that are testimonies of people that are earning, and some wonderful information that you're going to get a hold of too. I'll share the link down below. And if you're curious about me and who I am and how I'm doing things and understand who I am, I will share my Facebook link as well down there, my lovely friends, down below. Come by, say hello. Let's continue a conversation as one entrepreneur after another. And like I always say right now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, as I have many more wonderful videos to share with you as well, online marketing as well as Successful Solution Method. And I will be glad to share more information with you too. So, as I like to say, see you on the other side to success, my wonderful entrepreneurs. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can catch my next video. I love you all. Keep rocking, my entrepreneurs. Bye.